5 actions to get rid mess and organize your home. A pact, according to dictionary.com, is an official contract, such as one between countries. Well, I desire you to have a pact with your clutter. Although this turns into more of a battle that you win, it's a terrific method to keep in mind the actions to company. Here's what it indicates and how it works. A. Greater than ask. Ask yourself what you want out of the room or area you're going to organize. What are the objectives of the space? What are you shooting for by getting organized? And the important things is, you want to dig a little deep into how you want to benefit. This will help you get encouraged and work towards the final objective. If you're going to begin the procedure of arranging documentation in your house office, the question is, why do I desire to organize this space? The answer could be, I do not ever wish to have a late bill once again, or, I want to find any file in less than 2 minutes. Then move on to step 2. P. Greater than pile. When you have actually responded to the concern, what you perform in this action is stack like items together. In your closet, you make a pile of all your t-shirts. Another stack of all your pants. Or let's say we're in your office, or any place you do keep documents. Start with your file drawer, or get a pile if that's what you've got for a filing system. Put each paper in like files. For example, all the insurance coverage paperwork will fit. All of your 401k documentation goes in another. All medical expenditures from today year in another. A. Greater than analyze. Next you go through the piles and break them down much more, this time into 2 piles of treasure or trash. I like to designate each classification with treasure or garbage so there's no in between. No room for, I'm going to decide on this later. No, decide right there and after that if it's either remaining or going. No in between. Now the thing is, the trash does not always suggest it's going to the trash. That action follows, and keep in mind the saying, one male's trash or scrap is another guy's treasure. Next. C. Greater than cash in. This is where you go through the trash and simplify again, choosing what can be contributed, what can be offered, and what's going to the dumpster. Next action is where you get arranged. T. Greater than tidy up. This is where, as soon as you've gotten all the garbage out of the area, you organize the products you've decided to keep. Clean up, put it back in a organized fashion. When you're organizing, always keep like products together, whether on a rack, in drawers, or in any other type of storage you're using. Have items you use more regularly be more accessible and within reach, too. So there you go. Have a pact with your clutter today, okay?